Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a project with the correct aspect ratio for your ad. Choose 16, 9 for YouTube or 9, 16 for vertical social. Import your hero clips, logo PNG, voiceover, and music so everything is ready. This prevents back and forth later. Once done, lay out a 15 to 30 second timeline and set playback to 60 FPS for smooth motion. Now trim the rough clips to the strongest 3-6 shots, keeping each under 3-5 seconds to maintain ad pacing and focus. Next, tighten the story. Split and trim to create a clear hook within the first 3 seconds because viewers decide fast. Then, add subtle motion using keyframes, scale or position shifts over 0. 5 to 1 second with easing to make static shots feel dynamic. Once motion feels natural, match color and exposure across clips using a LUT or manual adjustments so the ad reads as one polished piece. Make sure transitions are simple cuts or quick crossfades to keep attention on the message. Finish by balancing audio. Set your voiceover around -6 to -10 dB and apply automatic ducking so music supports without overpowering. Add clear headline text, 3 to 5 words, placed for safe zone visibility, with high contrast and a slight drop shadow for legibility. Do a final playback on the target device to confirm timing and volume, then export H.264 with an 8 to 12 Mbps bitrate for good quality and small file size. If sync or crashes occur, clear cache, lower preview quality, and re-export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.